Good morning from Chicago, the risk management capital of the world. I'm Alan Nuckman with Trading Advantage, your morning market stir, Friday, December 13th to finish off the week. Well, another day, another downslide near the close. E-mini S&P was down another 30% yesterday, 1769, down 6. Again, we're trading the March contract. The Dow was hit harder, down 0.6%, down 95 points, 15,682. And the Nasdaq kind of held. It was down a third of a percent at 34.55. So stocks continue to go lower, and they really got hit at the end of the day after coming back to unchanged midday. Dollar index was up a little bit. 80.21 was the close. 137.43 was the close in the euro currency, so that pushed down some here. Bonds were off. 129.08 was the finish. Crude oil was up 10 cents at 97.82, and gold lost about $25 at 12.31, and an unwinding day for sure in the marketplace. So after that negative Thursday, where did the market stand on Friday morning to finish off the week? Well, right now we're positive. We're positive about 0.4%, getting back some of the losses from yesterday in the stock indexes. We're at 1776.5, up 7.5 right now. The 1800 level on the March contract was the closing number last week. We want to keep an eye on if we can make another run to that. But it looks like we're going to have a negative week, barring a huge surge here today. A negative week in the S&P, negative week in the stock market, first time on a weekly basis in a long time. Dow futures up 42, 15,724. NASDAQ right now at 3469.5, up 14.5, recouping some of its losses as well. Looking at currencies, the dollar index up 15, 8036 as we stand right now. That's pushing the euro down once again, 137.25. Again, 138 is something we've been focusing on here, and it was above that a little bit this week, but now drifting below that. Bonds are steady, 129.07, down 1. The yield has spiked up, though. We see the yield on the 30-year Treasury at 3.9%, and the yield on the 10-year note that everybody watches at 2.88. That's put some concern into the stocks. Looking at crude, 97.40, down 42. And lastly, gold, drifting lower once again after that big bounce this week, not getting any follow-through, giving it back, down $3 at 12.28. So wrap up the current action, 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open. We're positive now. We're up 0.4%. We're up 7.5 points. The E-mini S&P at 1776.5, and we're up 42 in the Dow futures. I will see you early Monday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.